Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes. And I'm sorry to do this a little late, but I forgot about it. I thought that I made it already. So today is Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021, and what we're going to see today is about the types of restaurants that we go. We can go to a restaurant that is a food truck, a catering that is a buffet, small restaurants and pop-up restaurants. But we also have the restaurants that have kinds of food. For example, the restaurant that it's a Mexican food, Italian food, a sushi restaurant, a coffee shop, a steakhouse, or a fast food restaurant. These fast food restaurants are like McDonald's, Burger King, Little Caesar, all that kind of restaurants that are with fast food. Uh, and in a restaurant, we have a lots of vocabulary. For example, waiter and waitress, bread, glass, main course, dessert, table cut, today's special, curry, menu, starter, side dish, napkin, bill, and the tip. So let's learn a little bit about the restaurant and the vocabulary. This man is called the chef, and this man is called the waiter. But if it's a woman, it's waitress. We also have the kitchen where they make the food, and the people that washes the dishes are the dishwasher. We have the place sitting, that it's where how the things go in the table. We also have the reserve of book a table, that is when you go to the fancy restaurant and you need to with time you need to reserve a table so you can eat. A table for four, it's when you ask for a table. For example, you say a table for two, a table for 10, and stuff like that. We also have the menu, that is where you see the dishes and food that they offer, and what is the dish served with. This means that what does it what does the dish have, or what does the plate have. For example, a side salad, and here's what it has: cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, Kurgus peas, green beans, carrot, potatoes, and more. These kind of plates are called desserts. And the drinks are the things that you drink: a coke, water, spike water, stuff like that. And the service are all the people that are working in that restaurant. And finally, the most terrifying thing in the restaurant is the bill. Could I have the bill, please? To ask for the bill, we said, could I have the bill, please? And to leave a tip, it's the thing that we do if we have a good service, to as a thank you for the waiter. But let's see, how do you order food in a fast food restaurant?
Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a hamburger, french fries, and a Coke. Anything else? No, thank you. That's it. Okay. For here or to go? For here, please. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like 2 cheeseburgers. Anything else? Yes, 2 large Cokes, please. Okay. For here or to go? To go, please.
Now what we're going to do is that we're going to repeat what they are saying. Okay?
Let's role play.
Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I would like a hamburger, french fries, and a Coke. Anything else? No, thank you. That's it. Okay, for here or for to go? For here, please. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I would like 2 cheeseburgers. Anything else? Yes, 2 large. Oh, what happened? Well, is there anything else? Yes, 2 large Cokes, please. Okay, for here or to go? To go, please. Very good, guys. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you next class tomorrow. Have a very nice day. Goodbye.